As an engineering leader, your number one priority is to ensure you're focusing on the things that move your business in the right direction. That's what the business outcomes lens in Swarmia is for. People from outside the engineering organization often expect you to just focus on building new features, but we know it's more complex than that. We're balancing long-term and short-term, technical depth and business value. Swarmia gives you multiple lenses into your investment balance. For example, you can use it to see how much time different teams are spending on building new things, improving existing things, making productivity improvements, and keeping the lights on. You'll quickly be able to identify teams that might benefit from extra investment, or teams that are struggling with reactive work. Alternatively, you can look at investment balance through other lenses to observe product themes or work serving different types of customers. Teams will use these views to understand the type of reactive work that's slowing them down. It will help them make a case for investing in automating things that currently require manual work. Just having the language around investments helps you ensure that teams think about reducing technical debt in an intentional way, focusing on the highest impact projects. Initiatives are your organization's most important work, usually spanning multiple engineering teams and quarters. As an engineering leader, you'll want to make sure that you're on track and communicate progress with stakeholders in and outside of engineering organization. The initiatives view in Swarmia allows you to see all your ongoing initiatives at a glance and quickly identify the ones that are moving along as planned and the ones that might be at risk. You can drill into each initiative to see its scope and progress against the target timeline you've set, the different work items that make up the initiative, and the teams that have contributed to the initiative during its lifetime. From here, you'll be able to identify any competing priorities and possible bottlenecks so you can proactively support the people and teams that might need help getting unblocked. The data here is based on actual activities instead of an outdated plan. This added visibility will help you deliver engineering initiatives more predictably while also making progress transparent to everyone in the organization. Understanding the cost of your initiatives is an important part of evaluating the investment. The collaboration between engineering and finance has sometimes been quite limited, but it doesn't have to be that way. Swarmia can help you create cost capitalization reports about your software development activities in an automated and auditable way. First, Swarmia helps you understand the time investment in initiatives or categories of work. The FTE time investment is calculated based on data from your source code repositories and issue trackers. It's a transparent algorithm that's easy to explain and analyze. The time investment is then combined with information about the cost of work. You can add salary information based on job levels or individual salaries from your HR system. The final part of the analysis is exported to a spreadsheet that your finance team can use for reporting. Swarmia provides a flexible way to build software cost capitalization reports that doesn't require your engineers to spend time on manual time tracking. You can easily trace the work from the spreadsheet all the way to individual actions to make sure that everything's represented correctly. And because we know that different organizations have different reporting requirements, we're happy to help you tailor your cost capitalization report to the way you work.